think honestly I'd rather get the, there's two FMS jets I'm looking at. The F-16 and the Yak 130. Some kid at camp has the Yak and I really like it.
The Yak screams really fast.
And it's cheap too, it's $200. What is this one, like 250?
Yeah, it was. I think it's 229 now.
Yeah, the Avante is on sale for 220.
Time
That's
is
why I got it.
That's a good deal. Alright, perfect. Going up.
Gear up.
Cool thing with this is that you can do carrier landings.
I remember you doing high alpha. I remember you doing it with the F-16.
This F-16, that one's a blast. I gotta fix mine though.
If I were to get the Faroon one, I'd get the Arctic camera because I like the Arctic camera. It's a cool scheme. I like that scheme.
Yeah, wind is way better now. Still cross, but better. It's not as strong. It's just a 30C pack too.
Yeah, it's not fast, but the speed is right.
Yeah. It's over 100.
Oh yeah.
But it's not like cartoon fast.
Yeah. Every EDF nowadays is pretty much over 100 miles an
Time
hour.
remaining 3 minutes.
But this one flies realistic.
Yeah, it does. It looks nice. I like what you did to the rudders. Was that your paint or?
Yeah, I painted it. I gotta retouch it up though, but
Yeah, I might do like a. If I were to get that, I'd probably paint the whole plane.
I had Cali made stickers, but this is a plane that they had at Lemoore Naval Air Station back in the days. I want to see Sharam's big F-18.
Uh-huh. And I want to see him fly his F-16.
I haven't seen either one. I gotta see both.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Sharam said if he ever has time, he'd take me out to Crow. I could bring some jets.
Yeah, he's offered to. It's just too far out now. This is as far as I'm gonna go. We flew there a lot. I got my time in there.
So what was that Twin Otter plane called? The VQ one?
It's a VQ, yeah. It's actually a really good little plane.
Not as cool as mine.
Oh, yours is cool. But that one's smaller. Easier to transport.
Yeah, I put 12/8 on that thing. It's so much better now. I had it under prop before.
What was it?
11/8/5.
Oh, that's way too small.
Yeah, I put 12/8s on it, counter-rotating too.
Time remaining.
More power, and I got people to shut up about counter-rotating.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Do you know what the AMA Nats is? The Nats competition.
I heard about it, yeah.
Some guy had a big twin electric King Air. I think it was like 160-inch wingspan.
Uh-huh.
It was so beautiful. I saw it on the AMA.
I think I did too. I think I know what you're talking about.
He was flying on he's flying on twin 8S setups.
Yeah.
Four.
But it was a huge plane.
It was huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, two 8S
30
setups.
seconds.
Alright, let's come in.
2 4-cell batteries in each
Gear
pylon.
down.
All 3 gear. Turn around. Whoa, downdraft. I don't think I'm going to use flaps on this landing.
Yeah, I have these flaps.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh yeah. Nice.
It's a little more than I wanted, but it's down. Normally I don't do that. That was stalled pretty much. Normally I'll touch down and drag. hard to do when you got crosswind. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Yeah, that was fun.